Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore another powerful component, the pricing table component. In the editor view, open the Components panel and search for Pricing Table to get started. Finally, if you're offering a product or service, the pricing table component plays a key role in driving conversions. It helps you present your plans clearly and professionally. In the Pricing Table Properties panel, you can create multiple pricing tiers with ease. Define plan names, set pricing, and list the features included in each tier. You can also highlight a specific plan, such as a Pro or Most Popular option, using accent styling to draw user attention. Additionally, there's a built-in toggle that allows users to switch between monthly and yearly pricing. It's a powerful way to showcase your offerings and guide users toward the right choice.